The Redmi 6, Xiaomi's first MediaTek phone in India in years. It's here today, and in this video let's unbox it and take a quick look. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech. Card to our latest giveaways, links in the description below, and while you're down there, hit that bell icon, become part of our notification squad. Let's now get started. Here's the box the Redmi 6 comes in. Opening it up, we first have the Redmi 6 itself. Let's get it out, remove the plastic, and let's set it aside for a minute. We then have the regular leaflets, a micro USB cable, the SIM ejector pin, and a travel adapter. It's 5 volts 1 amp, by the way. Let's now get back to the Redmi 6 and take a closer look. To the front on top, we have the earpiece, sensors, and a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Now that's followed by an 18:9 panel. It's smaller than on the Redmi 5 this time. It's just 5.45 inches. The resolution remains the same at HD+. Now this is an LCD panel and it looks good. I'm not a fan of the black line running around it, but then again at this price you can't really complain. As far as placements go, we've got the power and volume keys to the right, the micro USB port and primary microphone reside at the bottom, 2 slots to the left, so we do get dedicated micro SD support here. Up top, we have a headphone jack along with the secondary noise cancelling mic. To the back, we get dual cameras now. There's also a single LED flash along with a fingerprint scanner. This fingerprint scanner happened to work well in our time with it. The speakers present at the bottom. Note that this is a plastic back and the design is something we've definitely seen a lot of, so nothing special here. The smaller display on this phone means that the Redmi 6 actually has a smaller footprint than its predecessor. It's shorter and narrower. Surprisingly, it happens to be thicker even though the battery capacity has gone down. It's just 3000 mAh this time, 4100 a couple of years back, 3300 last year, and just 3000. Anyway, that said, the phone does feel very optimized for single-handed use. Other specs include a MediaTek Helio P22 at the heart of the Redmi 6. This is an octa-core chip with cores clocked up to 2 GHz. It's built on the 12nm process, so from a CPU standpoint, expect it to be a little better than the Snapdragon 450 on the Redmi 5. There's a PowerVR GE8320 handling GPU duties. This is an entry-level GPU, so the GPU performance might be worse than on the Redmi 5. At least on paper, that's how it comes across. We will have to test it a lot more before drawing conclusions. There are 332 and 364 RAM storage options available. As far as software goes, out of the box, the Redmi 6 comes with MIUI 9.6 built on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. We've seen the major features of MIUI 9.6 so many times that I'm not really gonna get into it here. Face unlock is present, it works well. The gesture-based navigation system, which we found intuitive, also returns here. With a lot of Xiaomi phones getting MIUI 10, expect this to get it soon too. Now as far as cameras go, there's a primary 12 megapixel f2.2 with support for face detection autofocus paired with a 5 megapixel depth sensor. Both the front and rear cameras get support for auto HDR and portrait mode shots. The images that you are seeing here were shot with these cameras. Except for the depth sensor, they don't seem to be a huge upgrade from the last generation. So overall, I'm a little underwhelmed by the Redmi 6. It's a phone with an arguably inferior chip than its predecessor, a display that's smaller, a build that's thicker, enough plastic, along with a lower capacity battery. For all that, the price though, it remains unchanged at 8,000 rupees. This feels weirder than what Realme did with the Realme 2. I can't help but feel disappointed. I get that Xiaomi wants to focus on offline, but they shouldn't be doing that at the cost of their regular consumers online. They shouldn't really be downgrading phones. Anyway, let me know if you'd want to see a full review of the Redmi 6. I'm intrigued to see how a Xiaomi MediaTek combo works. Been ages since I did something like that. And by the way, don't forget a thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about this video. Also subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our daily content. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.